people? Welcome back to the Unfiltered Empire. Today I'm going to be teaching you and showing you small hacks and quick tricks that you can use in AI, ChatGPT to help you with your stock analysis, stock market trends, stock data, earnings, all types of things. AI is all around us. We all know a lot about AI. We all hear about it. We all see the things coming out. But a lot of us don't know that we can use this to help us with the stock market. We all know that the stock market is going to create generational wealth. And we know that that's where a lot of money is going to come from. So just in this video, I'm going to just teach you like simple things you can do to use ChatGPT and implement it into your stock analysis and actually figuring things out and figuring plays out. Quick disclaimer, this is not financial advice at all. I don't use ChatGPT for financial advice. It also has a disclaimer in there for you as well. I'm not giving you financial advice as well. I'm going to go over a trade I took. It was good. I had like 50-some percent. But that was just me off of reading the charts and then going through ChatGPT after my own research. So I don't use this for financial advice. But at the same time, this helps your day in your life way more. A lot of these traders are using AI. Not a lot of us know how to do it and what they're asking it. It's pretty simple things we're asking AI, if I'm being honest. And in this video, I'm just going to break it down. So stay tuned for the rest of this episode. So right here, we're on ChatGPT 4.0. I do have the paid version of ChatGPT. I think everyone should get it. I'm trying to get a Mac. When I get a Mac, there's a software that has all of them integrated in one. I'm going to just buy that instead. Whenever I get my hands on it, I'll give you a link as well. So right here is Nike. What is this? All right, boom. Here is Nike. We're going to look at their financials, key facts, all of this. Boom. All right, we're going to copy ChatGPT. This is a GPT. GPT are ChatGPTs, like the large language model that's trained on something already specifically for what you're going to use it for. So this one's trained on finance and trading, stock, cryptocurrency, forex, and investing. You can also train your own in your own new chat by just telling it exactly the highest level of what you want it to perform at. Always remember, with your AI tools, you are teaching the AI, or let me not say teaching, you are telling the AI how you want it to respond to you. So if you want an intelligent AI, you have to tell it to be intelligent in the way you want it to be. Then it's going to work at that high level for you. Don't just ask AI a random question. On certain things, of course, but when you're trying to get diligent work done in specific fields of study, you have to train your AI. Okay, so I had to input the information a different way. I went onto Yahoo Finance instead and just copied and pasted the top part right here were their numbers and the bottom part right here was statistics. Put it in here for me. Now, it's telling me performance summary of Nike, which is something you need to know when you're going to invest in a stock or a company. Valuation metrics, financial stability and profitability, and investment outlook and conclusion. Now, I can go and find all this information myself, and I can also read all the information. But when I can put into this AI and get my bulletin points for me, I can also now focus on different stocks. One stock isn't going to take me as long as it did before because now I have AI summarizing things for me. And then I can input data into my charts to find the moving average, to find the RSI. And then I can input that data into the AI software. And then it's going to tell me from what I'm giving it, price points I should look at. And that's going to give me readings off the same chart I'm looking at. Here is another great example of how I use AI in the stock market and in Bitcoin as well. I told it I am looking to get into Bitcoin the next 3 days. Based off the trends of Bitcoin recently, based off the RSI and moving average, what would be a good buying target for Bitcoin? I'm just asking a generic question. I could go way more in depth on what days I want my moving average to be and different things like that, but I'm asking a generalized question. I'm not going to read this whole thing, but it also gave me off the 200-day SMA at approximately 64,000 may provide a good point of entry for me to go into this stock or currency, my fault. The RSI, it tells me a rundown on that as well. Then it tells me while entering around 63,300, 64,000 is a reasonable target. Be cautious about volatility and monitor any breakout attempts above resistance. This is a great way to just get faster ideas into mind when going into investments and currencies and the stock market. You can make your life so much easier and more efficient by using AI. They're showing you it every day. You're seeing it in your house. You're seeing it in your cars. You're seeing it everywhere. It's time for you to see it in your own vision of you using it. Don't be afraid of this thing. There's nothing to be afraid of. Start using more AI because AI is here to help us. AI is here for us to actually use it to become more efficient. That's what the other people are using. That's what the other people are using it for. They're becoming more efficient. We have to do the same thing. These are just little tips and tricks. There's so many more things I'm going to show you on how to use AI and how to prompt AI. I appreciate you watching this video. Did you learn something today about how to use AI in the stock market? And if you have any questions or concerns, just comment in the comments and I'll respond to any questions you have. I'm also growing. Like I said, it's not financial advice. I use this just to help my day go by a little bit better when it comes to finding stocks, finding trades that I'm trying to look at over time while doing my own research. I think we all should do this. The big guys that make a lot of money, they use AI to help them efficiently throughout their day. We got to start using AI. The time is now, no better time. Thank you for watching. Appreciate you. Have a great one. Peace.